Good morning, everybody. I congratulate all the organizers, Mesa Frankfurt, for having a very successful event conducted in these 2 days, and it was a very timely event. More so because we are just coming out of a dangerous and deadly pandemic. This was an event where we had interactions with a whole cross section of vendors, OEMs, the fleet service providers, manufacturers, and gas suppliers. I think more such events in future would help in building a collective conscience for building a gas-based economy. The government is doing a lot of initiatives to have this gas-based economy, and AGNP as a LNG logistics provider and a gas distribution company is committed to see that we get a lot of our expertise into seeing that the CNG and LNG gets into every nook and corner of the country. Thank you very much.